Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Sarika Atul Patil, Faculty of Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. I am part of this international FDP on environment and sustainability conducted by Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune, in association with UNESCO and Open Education for Better World. I am giving this presentation for week 3 and 4 activity on smart waste management system to reduce carbon footprint. For week 1 video, I present everything in object-oriented programming is grouped as self-sustainable object. Hence, we gain reusability by means of object-oriented programming concepts. Object can be reused in different programs. For week 2 video presents by 2030, almost two-thirds of the world population will be living in cities. This fact requires the development of sustainable solutions for urban life. Managing waste is a key issue for health. Improving proper waste management will reduce pollution, recycle useful material, and create more green energy. Video outcome. After learning through video, students will learn to calculate carbon content, footprint, evaluate effect of CO2 emission on environment and sustainability, develop smart waste management system for environment and sustainability. Following is the list of international standard IEEE industry standard norms applicable to subject content chosen in week 1 and week 2. Carbon footprint. A carbon footprint is the set of greenhouse gas emission caused by something. It can be calculated for product, service, person, or even a country, and is used to understand the impact human activity is having on the earth climate. This step looks at measuring carbon footprints, personal carbon footprints, national average footprints, and the global footprint. Here I am explaining with the help of string carbon footprint calculator, housing footprint. To calculate your housing carbon footprint, you need to work out your personal share of home energy use, water use, and waste disposal. This means collecting figures for your human annual energy, water, and waste use and dividing it by number of people in your house to get your individual share. Having gathered this information, you then multiply your personal uses by an emission factor to calculate your home footprint. Carbon emission footprint calculation computation. The calculation look like this. To check your monthly utility bill, you have to use the following calculation. Carbon footprint of municipal solid waste in metro cities using smart waste management system. Carbon footprint refers to the quantity of carbon emitted from man-made sources. Municipal solid waste plays a significant role in carbon footprint of urban society. Municipal solid waste mainly consists of degradable material and non-degradable material. The increasing municipal solid waste generation, along with the high fraction of organic waste and its unscientific disposal, is leading to emission of methane in the atmosphere. Methane is considered as an important source of global warming with the warming potential of 25 times greater than that of carbon dioxide, and concentration of atmospheric methane is increasing in the range of 1 to 2% yearly. Improper management of municipal solid waste constitute a strong greenhouse gases and hence plays a significant role in carbon footprint of urban society at local level. The percentage of carbon dioxide and methane varies according to the waste composition, age, quantity, moisture content, and ratio of hydrogen oxygen availability at the time of decomposition. Emission of methane from landfill accounted 3 to 9% of the man-made sources in the world. Moreover, municipal solid waste is a vital source of man-made greenhouse gas emissions such as methane, biogenic carbon dioxide, and non-methane volatile organic compounds. The main of this study is to keep cities clean using smart waste management system. The system is IoT based one and it monitors the garbage bin and informs the level of garbage collected in garbage bin. The system will update the status of the bin. It will show the shortest route to the truck. The waste is segregated to bio and non-biodegradable. The current waste disposal technique existing are rack picking landfills which are ineffective. This is a major ecological concern due to pollution and diseases. The current bin in our cities are overflowed due to improper collection technique. The GPS module use location of the bin. The ultrasonic sensor detects the level of the garbage and update using IoT in the website of municipality. So, authorities can send worker to collect waste before overflowing. The weight sensor and metal detector detects the metal and biodegradable waste and servo motor rotates the waste is sorted. The GPRS gives the location of the each bin. By using this method, the collection of the waste in the city to helps in reducing air pollution, traffic flow, time, money, and the manpower. With the help of proper technology, GPS, we can use guide the truck in selecting the shortest path for the garbage collection, and it result in reduction in the carbon footprint. Thank you.